Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for lawn care enthusiasts. The best lawn tractor hubcaps available on the market. These hubcaps are essential for maintaining your Husqvarna, Weed Eater, Poulan, Sears, Craftsman, Ryobi, and Roper equipment, ensuring smooth operation and durability. Let's explore why these hubcaps from shiosheng are making waves. These hubcaps, designed by shiosheng, are crafted from high-quality rubber, promising resilience and longevity. They fit a range of models, including lawn mowers, lawn tractors, ride mowers, yard tractors, garden tractors, riding lawn mowers, and snow blowers. Compatible with various axle types. They replace part numbers like 532,104,757, 532,175,039, 104757X, 104757X417, 104757X428, 175,039, and 2118R. While exploring alternatives like the DVP-ARTS 532,104,757 hubcaps. These shiosheng hubcaps stand out for their competitive pricing and positive customer feedback. They are often chosen for their reliability and ease of use, backed by a strong reputation in the market. In conclusion, if you're looking to enhance the performance and longevity of your lawn equipment, consider investing in the shiosheng 532,104,757 rubber wheel axle hubcaps. They're not just hubcaps. They're a testament to quality and practicality in lawn care. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get your set today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy mowing!